Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be Ryzen 9 3900X along with 2080 Ti build. The build cost is approx 2,40,000 rupees. We will be using a stock cooler right now for this build, as this motherboard comes with an offer where you get Cooler Master 240mm liquid cooler free. For that, the customer needs to register on MSI website and that would be shipped to the customer directly. So let's begin with the PC component and their pricing. All the prices mentioned in this video would be today's price, so do follow the link in the description box below for the latest price. So yeah, let's begin with the PC components. For cabinet, we have got Cooler Master H500P. This is available for 13,300 rupees. For processor, we have got Ryzen 9 3900X. This is available for 52,000 rupees. Due to shortage of the stock, the price is a bit on higher side, and yeah, this is what we have, 3900X. For motherboard, we have got MSI Mag X570As. This is available for 34,000 rupees. And for graphic card, we have got MSI Gaming X Trio. This is 2080 Ti triple fan and available for just 1,09,000 rupees. For power supply, we're gonna use Cooler Master V1000. This is available for 9,600 rupees. And for storage, we have got Samsung 970 Evo Plus NVMe M.2. This is for 10,100 rupees, 500 GB. I always recommend to go with Samsung SSDs. For more storage, we have got Seagate FireCuda 2TB. This is available for 8,000 rupees. This is faster than normal regular hard drive. And for RAM, we have got G-Skill Ripjaws V. This is 3200 MHz 8x4. The total price is 14,800 rupees. The stock cooler comes with pre-applied thermal paste. You don't have to add additionally.
Feeling free? Okay, follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Alright, so we're done with the PC build, and the PC is performing absolutely fine. Everything is good about the PC. Right now we have 8x4, but we are planning to change it to 16x2, and because we will have further option to improve the RAM, so in future we'll be putting 64 gigs of memory. That's about the component. We will be sharing a dedicated video for the performance and gaming benchmark for this PC. That's about the video. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos, and do follow us on Instagram for latest update about our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.